once again. Today we're still in dry January. This is Doom Bar 00, as you saw. Well, it's just called Doom Bar 0, but it's 00% Amber Ale. I've been a big fan of the normal Doom Bar, so we're going to see what's going on there. Shout out to Dan Leach, as I mentioned before, about the days when we used to drink that kind of stuff on nights between doing Alton Towers trips. But anyway, we're going to try this today. It actually says 0.0%. I don't know if it's a deal of it's actually technically 0.05%. And give this a whirl. Doom Bar has been good. I've got the old patriotic glass today, but I'll still be able to see the drink because there's some cloudy glass I've got that look great. Shut the table a bit. But in this kind of thing, it's just got sharps on it. It'd be nice if that logo was on the bottle top, but let's not get down to that. Yeah, that's Amber Ale at its best, I think. Now people say, oh, you don't like Amber Ale. You go on about Amber Ale being too oaky and too much flavour. But really, Amber Ale's not too bad. I will stand this up and then we will have a look at it. Amber Ale's not too bad, really, when you're expecting it. But we've got the Doom Bar 0 there, which is going to be good, no doubt. Head on that, taking a while, nice, bit light, I guess, but it's an Amber Ale colour, quite dark. Smells quite oaky. That smells like Doom Bar, definitely. We've got that right. I'm not sure if this has been brewed with the alcohol in and the alcohol's taken out afterwards. But it's from Cornwall. It's a good brand of beer. You can't have too many. It's a bit like Guinness. It gets you bloated, I think. But we're going to try this. The flavours are there. Doesn't feel like it's got the consistency of Doom Bar, or even though it's a stout Guinness. But the consistency feels a bit thin, but the flavour's there. Again, it tastes like a beer. It doesn't taste 100% like Doom Bar, but it's never going to. Is it a good substitute? Yay or nay? I'd say, yeah, especially if you've got to drive and you want an Amber Ale that tastes quite dark, especially for a non-alcoholic beer, then that's probably your best bet. Grand scheme of things, this dry January I've been going about the top three. Bavaria's still number one, I think. Then it's got to be Corona Zero. That stuff is nice, especially with lime in. Third, depends what you're after. For me, if I'm gonna have that flavour on the Amber Ale and be in the mood for it, I'm gonna be in the mood for Doom Bar normal. But if you like Doom Bar, it's definitely got it's very roasted kind of taste to it, which is a bit different from the normal Doom Bar. It doesn't quite seem as thick, seem as like it's going to bloat you as much. Good drink. It's not in my top three from this month from non-alcoholic drinks, but I could recommend it. So, cheers, and I'll see you in the review. Because now I'm drinking Doom Bar.